Alright guys, so in this new video, I'll be showing how to make a dal tarka, nice dal tarka. And I'll be serving dal tarka with the rhubarb pickle. So rhubarb pickle, you can check my other video, the link will be down. So you can follow that and then make the dal with the rhubarb pickle, alright? So let's start. So I will introduce some of the ingredients. The one special what I'm using is black garlic. So I'm giving, black garlic is more antioxidant they say, because it's, it's been fermented slowly and has better, medicinal value or value than the normal garlic. So that's why I'm using black garlic. It's better flavor, it has a nice flavor to it, okay? So let's start with that. My pan is hot. I'll just chop it up or crush it because it's already fermented. It just mash like a puree quickly. So 2 tablespoons of plain oil. You can use cumin or mustard for the tadka tempering. So what I'm going to use is mustard. So around half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Nice crackling. Okay. I'm adding hing or asafoetida, quarter of a teaspoon. Right, now adding, so that's good enough, it gives a nice flavor. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, quarter teaspoon of finely sliced green chili, 4 curry leaves, 1 tablespoonful of tomato, and I'm adding black garlic now. It don't need to be sauteed or brownish, and just mixing it. If it's a fresh garlic, you need to put it in the beginning to make it brown, but in this case you don't need to, because I want that black garlic flavor to it. I'll be adding some corn to the dal, added texture and flavor. So it's a cooked corn, just break it. I'm adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, I want to keep this tadka without any red chili, so I need nice, yellowish color with all this good vegetable coming through. I'm adding some tur dal or yellow split lentil that is boiled. It's around 100 gram of dal cooked with 500 gram of water and reduced, and the lentil is half mashed, half has a side bite to it. That's a good texture to have a dal. It's my personal taste. People can debate, oh, it need to be mushy, but I like it this way. Try it, you will like it when the dal is semi-mashed but has a slight bite to it. I don't want the dal to be runny, but not too very thick also. So it's in a medium, like a creamy soup kind of consistency is good. Water on 4 tablespoons at this stage. Let it simmer slowly. So now the dal is cooked. And sure, we need to taste. We didn't put salt before, so I'm putting now 2 gram or even 1 gram. Put it and then try, because I'm using pink salt, the Himalayan pink salt. Okay, mix it. Taste. A pinch more salt. So ideally 2 grams salt should be enough. But again, the salt, the strength differs which kind of salt you use. So always taste the salt also when you season the food. And if my recipe says it's 2 gram, first put 1 gram taste it, then increase accordingly. That's set now. I'm adding 20 gram of plant butter, so that gives a richness. Instead of using normal butter, when it's dal fry or dal tadka on dabas, that means the street vendors, they make it, the street hawkers. It's always they put butter in the end of the finishing. That gives a richness and nice flavor to the dish. So let it be there now. So for plating, I'm using the cone. Okay, cone is in the dal as well. So what I'm going to do is take a cone. It's like you char grill it, you know. When you char grill a cone, this is the flavor of what you get. So I'm just replicating this one with the blowtorch. All right. Then sprinkle a bit of chili on the top and the pink salt. Okay. So now we can bring everything for the plating. This is set. We can add the rhubarb pickle. So some of the pickle, few pieces we can put inside the dal. Okay. And some I'll be using for the presentation time. So the dal is best tried with plain basmati rice or nice chapati or even naan bread. So now the dal is ready. We're going to finish it. So remember, this can be your starter course as well. So if you have a 7-course menu you're planning, the dal could be treated as a soup as well because it's lentil, creamy, you know, in that style. Otherwise, in between, before your fish course or a meat course, you can introduce this one along with a bit of rice on the side or a tiny bit of chapati, you know, nicely folded ones. So let's start plating. Get a nice plate like this if you have, nice well in the middle. So now what I'm going to do is, you need some texture to the dal, some crispiness. So traditionally we have poppadoms. So now I got some nicely thinly fried sweet potatoes. So just put it on the middle. Pickled rhubarb. You can put on the top, some on the side. Bit of the oil with the flavorings from the pickled rhubarb around. The char grilled cone on the side. Radish, very thinly sliced. Currant leaf as a garnish. Some fried onions as well. Lemon zest, freshly lemon. So nice rhubarb pickle dal tarka with black garlic and corn is ready to eat. Nice flavor, very good. Enjoy. So now it's time to taste. Okay, bring it to the center. So with a spoonful of your charred sweet corn, pickled rhubarb, but there's a pickled onion as well, and then some for the crunch, a bit of crispy potatoes. Okay, 1 spoonful. Very nice textures. Has a bit of tanginess from the pickled rhubarb. The dal is very, very enriching. The black garlic has a very distinct flavor, but very nice. It's a nice combination. You can't expect this many flavors in a dal, but a simple dal with rhubarb, amazing. And it's vegan. So enjoy. Let me know your feedback after cooking. Take care.